Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 5 users have encountered: the dreaded error code WV-109145-0. This error code indicates that your PS5 is unable to connect to the internet, which can be quite frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of an intense online gaming session. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the steps to fix this error and get you back online in no time. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Check if other devices in your home are able to connect to the internet without any issues. If they can, then the problem might be specific to your PS5. Next, try restarting your PS5. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console completely, unplug the power cord, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. Turn on your PS5 and see if the error persists. If the error code still appears, it's time to check your network settings. Go to the Settings menu on your PS5 and select Network. From there, choose Set up Internet Connection and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your network settings. Make sure to select the appropriate connection type, wired or wireless, and enter the correct network credentials. If you're using a wireless connection, try moving your PS5 closer to your router to ensure a stronger signal. Alternatively, you can try connecting your console directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. If none of these steps work, it's possible that there might be an issue with your internet service provider or your router. Contact your ISP to check if there are any known outages or if they can provide any assistance. You can also try resetting your router by unplugging it, waiting for a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. In some cases, the error code WV-109145-0 might be caused by a temporary server issue on Sony's end. In such situations, all you can do is wait for the problem to be resolved on their side. You can check the official PlayStation website or social media channels for any updates on server status. So there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the PS5 error code WV-109145-0 and get back to enjoying your online gaming experience. Remember, if all else fails,